Hello, hope everyone is doing great today. You may already know, and this could just be a reminder of how important mobile is to your website and sales funnels these days. Statistics show that smartphone usage is at 83% across the US, and it's been noted that 80% of purchases are made on mobile platforms. That includes mobile phones, laptops, and tablets. This quote from one senior vice president sums it up when he says, "Even when I'm at work in meetings, I'm searching on my phone while talking to vendors so I can move more quickly." I'm sure a lot of us can relate to this. So it's definitely important to make sure your sites are optimized for the mobile user's experience. In this short video, I want to show you a free tool to help you make sure all of your sites are optimized for mobile viewing. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like and subscribe to continue receiving great reviews. The site is Google's mobile-friendly test site. Designing your websites to be mobile-friendly ensures that your pages perform well on all devices. This tool allows you to test how easily a visitor can use your page on a mobile device and alerts you about critical site errors such as page load errors, detection of hacked content, and it helps you manage how your content appears in search results. Just enter a page URL to see how your page scores. Let's try it out. I'll enter a URL and check the results. It takes just a few seconds for the results to be returned, and it also shows you an image of the page on a mobile device. I love using this source. It's a free, quick, and easy way to make sure all of your websites and sales funnels are optimized and to make sure mobile users get the best experience on your websites and sales funnels. You can search for it on Google, and I'll leave a link in the comments for you to try it out. Enjoy and have a great day. Before I forget, if you want to really take your knowledge of sales funnels to the next level, do yourself a favor and head over to my page, thementalmarketer.com. There, you can see what a proper sales funnel looks like. You can take my free digital marketing course to get a great overview of the digital marketing world. You can also sign up for my weekly newsletter and get access to my private Facebook group where I give my closely held tips that I don't give anywhere else. You can also take advantage of other free goodies I offer. If you do that, you might end up being a better marketer and, even more importantly, a better person. Take care. Hope to see you on the inside.